Understanding the phrase, revile. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into the English language and understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, revile. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it in a sentence. Revile is a verb. When someone reviles another person, it means they are expressing a strong disapproval or criticizing them in a harsh manner. In simpler terms, to revile is to speak about someone in a very negative or abusive way. For example, the politician was reviled by many for his controversial statements. The artist's new work was reviled by critics but loved by the public. Knowing synonyms, words that have a similar meaning, can be helpful when learning a new word. Some common synonyms for revile are criticize, denounce, berate, reproach. However, keep in mind that while these words are similar, they are not always interchangeable. The context in which you're using them matters. Understanding a word is great, but knowing how to use it in sentences is even better. Here are a few examples. 1. After the scandal, the CEO was reviled in the media. 2. It's not fair to revile someone based on rumors alone. 3. She felt hurt by the way her friends reviled her decision. I hope this video helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, revile. English is full of rich and expressive words, and revile is just one of them. Keep exploring and learning. Remember, every new word you learn is a step closer to mastering the language. Happy learning!